Discover the covert initiative known as Mayhem, a clandestine program under the U.S. Air Force's veil of secrecy. Mayhem isn't just another project. It's a cutting-edge endeavor aiming to unveil the capabilities of hypersonic aircraft for both offensive strikes and reconnaissance missions. The Mayhem program, shrouded in mystery, has a singular objective: to showcase an air-launched hypersonic craft capable of executing precise strikes, conducting reconnaissance, and gathering surveillance data in the most challenging environments. What's in store for Mayhem? According to the Air Force Research Laboratory, AFRL, the project is set to utilize a groundbreaking, conceptual vehicle design crafted by Leidos. This design isn't just about innovation. It's about identifying and mitigating the technical risks associated with expendable hypersonic vehicles. This initiative marks the beginning of a new era, as it lays the groundwork for the development of cutting-edge hypersonic technologies. But that's not all. The brainchild behind Mayhem, Tucker, envisions a future where hypersonic capabilities redefine warfare. With designs and technologies birthed from this program, the possibilities are endless. Imagine next-gen standoff weapons and reusable hypersonic aircraft, revolutionizing the battlefield as we know it. Why the hype? Picture this: a reusable, unmanned, air-launched hypersonic aircraft, swooping through the skies with unmatched speed and precision. Such a system isn't just a dream. It's a game-changer. It offers unparalleled advantages across various operational scenarios, whether it's neutralizing high-speed targets or gathering intelligence deep within enemy territory. From an intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) standpoint, Mayhem holds a distinct advantage over traditional methods like spy satellites.